Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco C71 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press and hold the power button, and now simply tap to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it, and when the Poco logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button and release. And here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm. And here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco C71 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.